Charlie, currently in the third day of the crash course. It's been brilliant. Learned so much already. Definitely been worth the time, worth the money. Yeah, it's been really good.
Incredible. And tell me about your journey into property. Like, where are you?
Yeah, so I'm currently a building surveyor, and I kind of want to break free of that 9 to 5 cycle. Want to be financially free, and I feel like this is the way to do it. Using my leverage as a building surveyor. So yeah, it's been brilliant.
And BRI is what you're interested in.
BRI is definitely the one. I do a lot of refurbs myself at work, so yeah.
Incredible. And tell me, so Samuel is on stage. He's
Yeah.
estate agents. You're seeing kind of deals happen live in the room.
Yeah.
What's that like? What's it like?
Yeah, it's brilliant. I mean, it shows that it can be done, especially in person. You know, you see him doing it. Yeah, it's really good, actually. It's really good. Shows that you can do it, you know. It's not a facade. It's not just a YouTube video. It shows you live in the flesh. So yeah, it's brilliant.
And to anyone who's thinking about coming down here but hadn't made the leap yet, what would you say to them?
I'd say it's definitely worth it, 100%. I know it's a bit of money up front, but the things you're learning, you don't learn online. You don't learn from a YouTube video. Yeah, it's brilliant.